Hello, in this video we will continue with the interfaces. So if we remember, in the last video we have a speakable interface. And this speakable interface has only one method, which is speak. And in the interface we do not write the definition of the method, just the header of the method. And we had dog and cat class. Dog implements speakable and cat also implements speakable. And when we say dog implements speakable, speakable says the method, the class which implements the speakable interface, they must have a speak method. So in the dog class, we have a speak method, and then it speaks as woof woof. Okay. And then we have cat class. It also implements speakable, and it must have speak method. So it implements speak method, and it says meow meow. Okay. So dog and cat class. Now in the tester class, we have a method, a static method, which is have them speak. So basically this method says, as long as you can speak, it is whoever you are welcome. Even if you are dog, cat, potato, tomato, orange, whatever it is, just come. Okay. And instead of saying cat and dog, we say speakable, which means as long as you can speak, just come. Okay. So this speakable is a type of this parameter, okay, which is speakable. And then you say just speak. So the way that they speak is different. Dog says woof woof and cat says meow. Okay, so now let's look at the main method. We have a cat object and dog object, and we pass them as a parameter. Okay, so if I have them speak, we pass cat, have them speak, we pass dog. And let me run this. Okay, now it says meow and then woof. Okay, now let's make a few changes. So here I can say cat and dog. Okay, I can actually also do this. I can say speakable. Okay, it is also okay. Actually, it might be better that you declare it as speakable, so that when you pass it to this method, we know that the parameter is an interface speakable. Okay, so you can do this. However, you cannot do this. You cannot say speakable, because after the new, to create an object, we have a constructor. However, this is not a constructor. Speakable is not a class. So classes have constructors, but speakable is just an interface. So you cannot use the name of the interface as a constructor. Okay, so you cannot do this. You must say either cat or dog. Okay, so speakable, and you can also do this, speakable. Okay, and then when you run it, okay, it works. And also let me show that a class can implement multiple interfaces. Okay, so let me just show this. Okay, so we have speakable, dog, cat, and let's say that cats, they can speak, dog can speak, but in addition, cats can also climb the tree, but dogs cannot. Okay, so cat climbs the tree. So let's do this. We say, okay, let me create the interface first. So as you see here, we have cat, dog, speakable. So here, let me right click new, and interface. Okay, and let me say climbable. Okay, climbable. Finish. Okay, so this is also an interface, and as the rule, the restriction, we say okay, so they must have climb method. So void and climb. Okay, and then semicolon. That's all. So we don't have any implementation. Okay, so climb. So now let's do this. Okay. What else? Okay. So here we say in the cat. Okay, we say cat also climbable. Okay, so climbable. So the problem is, let's look at the problem. It says cast must implement the climb method. Okay, so you must have that because you say it is also climbable. So here public void climb method, and okay, so system out print line, and let's say I climb trees. Okay, so cat dog climbable. Okay, so now let's look at the tester class. Okay, have them speak. Okay, so now let's do this. Similarly, have them climb. Okay, climb, and the parameter is climbable. Climbable. Climber. Okay, and here we say climber climb. Okay, now let's. Okay, so it is never used. Okay, so have them speak, and let's do this. Have them climb. Okay, have them climb. So here let me pass dog. Okay, dog. What does it say? The argument have them climb in the tester is not applicable. Okay, so dog can speak, but dog cannot climb. Okay, so it gave an error here. So let me do this. C. Okay, so what is the problem? The method have them climb is not applicable. Okay, so here we said speakable, we declare it, so we declared C as a speakable. Okay, so basically it is not declared as a cat. So if it was a cat, okay, then this works because cat, so we can, so C now is a cat. So you can pass it to have them speak as a cat because cat can speak. Okay, so when we look at the cat, okay, it implements speakable. So this works. You can also pass cat to this one, have them climb. It also works. However, if I make this cat climbable, okay, climbable. Okay, now this works. Okay, have them climb. So it says climbable. Yes, this is climbable. But now this gives error. Have them speak. So C is a okay. So C is not a speakable, or so in order to make this work, the parameter should be either cat or speakable interface. But now it is climbable, so this does not work. Okay. So if I make this cat, then this works. So have them climb. Okay. Now let's do this actually. So this is dog. Okay. So now let me run this. Okay. So now it says I climb tree. Okay. So now there is a problem. We say dog. Okay. We pass dog to this one. Have them climb. But it says dog cannot climb. Dog doesn't have climb method. Okay. So this also doesn't work. So let me just correct this. So if you pass cat, okay, I climb trees. I hope this is clear. Have a nice day.